Hey, good morning, everyone. So, I am almost finished with my retwist, and I wanted to just show you guys what I do. I hadn't done a video in a while, and I just wanted to show you guys. I haven't retwisted my hair since Thanksgiving Day. It's my last retwist, so it was overdue. My birthday is Sunday, and I like what my locks look like after a couple days, so I wanted to get this on out of the way. I'm using for my scalp, well, first, my water bottle that I've been using to keep my hair moisturized has rose water, tea tree, and I want to say peppermint oil, not sure. I can't remember. And then I have Muru almond coffee butter, mango butter, arnica oil. There's all kinds of lusciousness in this. This is a product I've been working on. It's a scalp balm. It's amazing. It's similar to the Sexy Shea, but my scalp loves it. Loves it. I know there are many people who have all these rules and things for lock care, but I'm just going to say I know what my hair likes, and my hair has been growing like crazy since I've been using this particular product, or these products in general, with my lock journey. So yeah, there's that. So you can try what I'm doing, or you can go with what works for your hair. Do you, boo? Yeah, so there's that. So I do use my Blocked and Beautiful Braid Balm. This is my personal, so it looks crazy. I use that to retwist the actual locks, and that's that. When I started with my locks, I used the Sexy Shea and Cocoa Quilling Custard. Still don't have any problems with that product, but my hair needs something with a little more weight on it. So the Blocked and Beautiful Braid Balm has been great for that. It doesn't leave any residue behind after I sit under the dryer and it's completely dry. And my parts look really pretty, and they stay a lot longer than when I was just using the quilling custard. So that's what your girl's been doing. So that's that. And again, I don't feel like my hair goes through the super fuzzy stage. Like, I don't have that super fuzziness that happens, and I think that has a lot to do with the product that I use. Palm rolling, also not your girl's BFF, okay? I don't know if that has to do with my carpal or the length of my hair or just the fact that it's a new technique, but I don't like it. So, and it doesn't work for me. I end up usually untwisting the lock, or it's no. So I don't palm roll. Maybe one day, but not today. I take my comb and make sure, and I work my comb down the lock to smooth the free hairs, and I don't like comb through the lock, okay? I'm actually just taking my comb and working the hair into each other. So I don't disrupt the lock that's already there, but I can still make it neat and smooth. So, oops. And I know there's lots of different ways for folks to do that, but you see, this is the retwisted part up here, and then that's the remaining fuzzy lock, where lots of folks will just pin right there and then dry. I don't. I like it to be uniform, so I work the puffy in with my comb. Just kind of. And I don't, if you'll notice, I don't have any hair that comes out. I'm not combing out. Whoa. I'm not combing out my lock. I'm just literally smoothing it. So it's like that. And it stays like that when I dry. Nope, I don't want that there. I like them coming straight down. So yeah, that is pretty much what I do. And it works. Gotta make sure these parts are clean. I was so proud after I did my shampoo and I'll share a photo somewhere in this video of what my hair looked like after the shampoo and condition this morning. And I could tell how my locks are forming. I didn't have to start any of my locks. I've got some budding happening, which I'm very, very happy about. I locked I did my starter locks October 3rd, I think it was. So, a couple months in, and my hair is doing well, loving the process. And I know you see this white on the locks. It will go away. I'm going to do a quick spin so you can see these locks have the same process and they're clean and shiny. And it's I use the same products on the whole head. So that's just because the area is wet and the product is fresh, but it's going to go away. You will not have white residue. You know I am team no white residue. Okay, so that's going to go in there. No, it's going to be one lock. So you're just smooth. My little lock comb is not, it's just made out of plastic, and earlier today it's got a bent tooth in it now, so I can't use that. So I've been working this rat tail comb, and it actually works out pretty well. I'm not mad at it. I remember when I first started watching lock videos, I was wondering how folks were able to continue to use these types of combs. I've seen some all-purpose combs being used, and I'm like, how are they able to get in there? And it's because it's a bigger comb. It's a lot of comb as opposed to the twisting comb like this. Y'all see? I got there's a wayward tooth there that catches. So that's quite a bit more comb to have to use when you are twisting hair. But when you figure out a little process for just holding on to the top of the comb, it works. It works. And you'd be surprised what you can figure out of necessity. Because after my hair kept catching on that wayward tooth, I was not happy. So yeah, up here, looks like my parts have gotten a little crazy. But I know how I want this part to fall. How the front of my hair lays, so I'm honestly not gonna stress about it. I'm just not. After freeform locks and all that stuff have made such popularity, like, I'm not, okay? This hair is gonna do what it's gonna do, and it's gonna be bomb when I get through. But yeah. I'm not live. You're good. You're fine.
Get back here talking to your shit.
Oh, you're good.
What's wrong with you? You gotta be telling people, I was doing this shit danger. You walking around this motherfucker, making shit loud. I think it was some word shit, some shit I said. I was thinking, fucking rant.
Yeah, I'm recording, but it'll be editing is like.
I know way more about our conversations than this goddamn.
Well, we always say we should have a camera up.
See, that's like they know us.
Caught the end of that one. But that is pretty much the process. Just know quite a few folks have been asking me to share real quick. You should do a video of your retwist. Well, I wanted to save you the hour that it took me to get to this point, and just show you my quick process. If I show you one or two, you pretty much got it. But yeah. this is what I do. When I finish with this, I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 20-30 minutes maybe, and let the initial wetness of the top area get itself together. But my locks are gonna dry pretty quickly between the products I used and honestly the time it has taken me to get this done. It's already good and in the process of drying, but I do want to make sure that the actual lock gets as dry as possible to prevent mildew and funky smells. That's important. So yes, as much as I hate a hooded dryer, it's a part of this process. So under the dryer I will go and get on with my day. I've got to make a post office run and got to get some products labeled. Y'all, we got lotion bars coming. Lotion bars. They are magnificent. They are made with mango, cocoa butter, and some kukui oil. I'm going to be telling y'all about kukui oil. That's something that I found. Oh, this lock is a little, well. Kukui oil is my new favorite oil for my skin. My face absolutely adores it, and it works really well with my makeup when I go on and put my makeup on afterwards. It doesn't leave a greasy situation. So yeah, kukui oil, you need that. That's bae. But I'm about to get you hooked up, okay? So keep your eyes peeled for our new lotion bars that are coming soon. If you are a day one diva, you are going to be getting yours really, really soon. But yeah, I'm gonna get on off of here so I can finish this up and get my butt under the dryer. I got stuff to do today. I just wanted to show you guys the process. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the finished retwist. I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes and then I took the clips out and sat for another 15-ish or so minutes, and just to make sure everything was dry. But this is the finished retwist. They move. They're soft. They're not crunchy at all. Super soft. And they are set, as you guys can tell, like I said, with that product, with the Blocked and Beautiful Braid Balm. The parts are super clear, and I'm super happy with the results. So sometime soon, I don't know if it'll be today because it's rainy and I got stuff to do. I'll put my big girl face on and take some pictures, but this is it. I wanted to just come in real quick and show you guys the finished result. You can order your Blocked and Beautiful Braid Balm on elegancebydesign.com. Definitely join the mailing list. If you know what, hit me up if you want to try the scalp balm that I'm working on. I'm always willing to put a few out in the atmosphere to see how you guys like it, because my scalp, my baby scalp, and my client's scalp loves it. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get on out for here. Blocked and Beautiful Braid Balm is what created this wonderful twist out here. Retwist here. So locked lovers, Elegance by Design also has something for you. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.